Hey friends, welcome to this competitive online biology classes. I am here with you with new microbiology topic. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about this classification of bacteria in according to different characteristic and their culture medium, their characteristic, and also we are discuss about the growth curve, different growth curve phases, different phases of growth curve, and how the bacteria reproduce their genetic system. Okay friends, so let's first discuss about the classification of bacteria. Okay, let me define that this all the topics will be on separate video. So first we'll be talking about only classification of bacteria. Okay friends, let's start. If any comments, please comment and don't forget to subscribe and press the icon button friends. So let's start. So friends, the classification of bacteria on the basis of different characteristic. So first is based on the shape, second is based on staining, by staining different staining. Okay, and third is basis of staining on their action, on the basis of oxygen requirement, on the basis of pH, on the basis of temperature, how they adopt, and the basis of their structure and the basis of their osmotic pressure. Okay friends, so these are all of the classification or arrangements of bacteria all over the world, all over the world which you can found bacteria. Okay, so here I am going to only discuss about the bacteria on the basis of shape and staining, pH, temperature and structure. Only I am going to discuss about these four. If you have any comment or if you have any query for this, so please comment me. As you can see, I have drawn a basic shape of the bacterial cell. So the on the basis of the bacterial cell, on the basis of shape, the bacteria is divided into three parts, three classes, which is first is cocci, you can see, and second is bacilli, and third is vibrio. Okay friends, the arrangement of the cells are more complex in the cocci and than the bacilli. Okay, the arrangement of the cell depend upon the adherence of the cell together after the cell division. So you can see the figure bottom the chart, different form of the arrangement you can see. So first let's talk about the cocci. Okay, so cocci, you can see coccus structure, it's a circular structure. So it's further divided into five classes. First is diplococcus, second is streptococcus, third is tetracocci, and fourth is staphylococci, and fifth is saccharina. Okay, you can see. So let's talk about the what is the diplococcus. So first, let's I define the what is the cocci. Cocci is nothing but this cocci is a circular type of cell structure. So diplococcus is nothing but cell divided in one plan and get attached permanently in the pairs. The if I talk about this streptococcus, so this is the cell divided in one plan and remain attached to form a linear chain of the cells. Okay, third, the saccharina, cell divided in three plan in regular pattern producing bunches of the cocci. And tetrad is in two plants and form group of the four cell. And the staphylococci is cell divided in three plants in an irregular pattern producing bunches of cocci. Okay friends, so this is about cocci, and the examples is there below of the classes. Diplococcus, you can see gonorrhea, streptococcus mutans, and saccharina, you can see tetrad, micrococcus luteus, Staphylococcus aureus. Okay, so these are the examples. Next, let's talk about the bacilli form. So bacilli form, unlike the cocci, it's form divided across their short arises. Okay, so first is diplobacilli, cocobacilli. Okay, there is also streptobacilli, monobacilli, different bacilli is there. So the example of bacilli, diplobacilli is clostridium, and second type of bacilli is cocobacilli. Is a borotella pertussis. Okay, Bordetella pertussis, sorry, Bordetella pertussis is cocobacillus actually. So this is about bacilli. Let's come to the next type of this on the basis of say bacteria. This is vibrio bacteria. We have also two classes, further classes of vibrio, spiral and spirochete. So spiral is spirillus. The example is spirillus, and spirochete is a treponema pallidum. Okay, this is the spirochete. So thank you for the watching, friends. So next video will be talking about the classification of bacteria based on the structure. So this all lecture will be separate video. If any comments us, and all the details on in description box. So thank you for the watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon button. Thank you.